Now we're going to have a look at how we use our understanding of the inverse operation to help us to solve simple algebraic equations. So let's, for instance, say we had a plus 7 equals 8. Now when we talk about solving algebraic equations, what we're really doing is saying we want to find the value of that letter. So that means we have to have the letter on its own. So remember the principle of the inverse operation. What do I do when I change the sign from the left hand side to the right hand side? We change the side and we change the sign. So what that allows us to do is say the value of A is 8 take away 7 is 1. How do we know that that's the right answer? Well, we use that and we substitute it into our original sum. So now we know the value of A is 1, so 1 plus 7 should equal 8. Indeed it does, and that tells us that we've solved that equation. Okay, let's have a look at another one. So this time if I said what is C take away 4 equals 9. Remember what we do? We've got the left hand side, we've got the right hand side. When we change the side, what do? C equals 9. This time it becomes, instead of negative 4, positive 4. C equals 13. How do we know? We substitute it in our answer. So 13 take away 4, does it equal 9? Yes it does. And we know we've solved that equation, the value of C. Now, two more. So what about if I said 3 multiplied, let's write that, 3 multiplied by C equals 27. What's the value of C? Now a bit trickier here, but we know, don't we, what the job of 3 here, it's performing a multiplying job. So when we take it to the other side of the equation, what are we doing with it? We change the side, we change the sign, so therefore C equals 27 divided by 3, which equals 9. How do we know? Let's put it back in. Let's substitute the value of C with 9. 3 times 9 is 27. And there we know we've solved the equation. And the last one, if we had something like x divided by 4 equals 7. What's the value of x? Now we know here the job of the 4, what's it doing? It's dividing. So when we take it onto the other side of the equation, x equals 7, change the side, change the sign. So therefore we're multiplying now. X, the value of x is 28. How do we know? We go back to our sum, we substitute the value of 28 for x. So 28 divided by 4 we know should equal 7. Yes it does. Job done, and that's it.